Ask any person over the age of 50. For safety, all their monies are kept in fixed deposits. Are fixed deposits really safe? If fixed deposits are risky, then what's the way out? Let's examine that statement from a devil's advocate standpoint. Fixed deposits are safe. Are they? Ask any person over the age of 50. For safety, all their monies are kept in fixed deposits. Now today's question is a rhetorical question. Are fixed deposits really safe? Let's examine that statement from a devil's advocate standpoint, right? First up, fixed deposits in the banks, are they safe? We've seen in the last 3 years multitude of banks going bust. So banks aren't safe place anymore. However, the Reserve Bank of India guarantees fixed deposits up to 5 lakhs in each bank. So anything more, you are at risk. Second, if you have fixed deposits with companies, finance companies and others, then they are categorized under the Companies Act and Income Tax Act as unsecured deposits. What this means is, in the event that the companies gets liquidated, the fixed deposit holders will be the last guys to be paid. Guess what? Most times there is no money to pay fixed deposit holders. So most times when some of these companies go bust, there isn't money available to be paid. So that's the second. So they are very, very risky from that standpoint. Third, they pay interest. Yes, they do. But our interest is very, very low. Many a times it's on par with inflation rates. So if you get that interest and you pay income tax on it, you are below water. You're below the inflation rate. So it's really not a very, very profitable scenario. And over time, your principal could be depleting as well without you knowing about it. Fourth, the interest, whatever you get paid, be it monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, annually, or even cumulative, is completely taxable. So whether you need that payout, whether you need that interest or not, you end up paying 30% of that money as tax. Now you need to evaluate whether, considering all these factors, is fixed deposit safe for you? If fixed deposits are risky, then what's the way out? Especially if you're somebody who does not require this income on a regular basis and you have a slightly longer horizon, then not all your money needs to be in fixed deposits. You can look at diversifying your portfolio. Look at some things like mutual funds, say hybrid funds, which have a little bit of fixed deposit kind of debt instruments and a little bit of equity, so that not all your money is exposed. But over a period of time, they tend to generate slightly higher returns. You can also look at some of the other asset classes like gold bonds or Government of India securities and so on and so forth, which could just diversify your investments a little bit more, but more importantly, not generate an annual income that gets taxed in your hands. So the key to this message is to say that not all fixed deposits are completely safe. Not all the returns that you get in fixed deposits are on par with the best available. You need to look at diversifying your investments to get a better return on your money.